Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today I am doing a wig review from Trendy Wigs, and it is the unicorn wig. It's a lace front. Let's get on to it. So the box got a bit damaged in shipping, but who cares, it's a box. In the package we have 2 wig caps, care instructions, bobby pins, and of course the wig. So this is the unicorn wig, lace front. So the wig itself is very full, and on the inside it also has 3 of the comb clips. It's adjustable. The little straps here. So firstly you want to get rid of all your own hair and make it as flat as possible. And then pull it and flatten it down with bobby pins. And then over the top of my hair, I just get a wig cap. Firstly, I pull it over my head, and then I take the little clips that are in it and just press them in. You can bring your wig cap forward and then slide it back a bit. Pull the wig more over. And there you have it. The hairline, if you find that it's not the way you want it, you can pluck a few more hairs out of it, thicken it up, or do whatever you want with it. Doesn't look too unnatural considering I always have unnatural hair anyway. So I don't know exactly how much this wig is, but there's a link to their website down below. They also have lots of sales and a VIP club. I really like this colour. Okay, so my overall thoughts on this wig is it's big, it's luscious, it's soft, doesn't shed much. Hairline is pretty good. I am quite happy considering, yeah, most of my wigs don't look very natural. This one does have a bit more of a natural feel to it. There's a link to their website down below, so go check them out.